Disclaimer. This content is published by Global Miranda Minor Group LLC, FZ, a Dubai-based entity. All information is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice or investment solicitation. Crypto trading involves substantial risk and may not be suitable for all individuals. Always do your own research. This material is not intended to market, offer, or promote securities or financial products to residents of the Philippines in compliance with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, of the Philippines.
And to your point, what other assets can they find in Roxum?
The first large stock market was the Amsterdam exchange, built on the Dutch guilder. Then you had the London Stock Exchange, built on the pound. And then you had Wall Street, built on the dollar. History shows you how the strongest capital markets always grow within the strongest currency. We do believe that both Wall Street and the US dollar have reached its peak. We believe that our capital markets will outgrow Wall Street. So the big question is, which are those markets that will outgrow Wall Street? And again, history tells you, hey, if you want an answer to that question, you should try guessing what the next strong currency of the world is going to be. We believe that one of the strongest contenders to become the world's strongest currency is Bitcoin. Ergo, we believe that Bitcoin capital markets are going to be those markets who outgrow Wall Street. So today, what we have just launched in Roxum a couple of weeks ago is our first two instruments. We have SP500 BTC and Gold BTC. If you want to learn and know about what it is to look at the world in Bitcoin, to invest in Bitcoin terms, to be in a place where everything is priced in Bitcoin, if you want Bitcoiner products, Bitcoin-backed loans, hopefully soon we're working on our Bitcoin repos, which is unlocking capital markets style of yield for Bitcoin, and everything Bitcoin related, just Roxum.com. Platform made by Bitcoiners for Bitcoiners. The whole goal is that Roxum to be your Bitcoin journey, let's say. So feel more than free to come in and try us out and give us feedback, help us improve the product, and we'll be taking good care of you.